takes you home.
Right. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So if you can't tell, I just got out of the shower. My hair's wet, no makeup. But I wanted to start off this video by showing you guys this new skincare range that I'm using. I know I just uploaded a skincare routine, but that was filmed like over a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. And now that my acne is clear, I have been changing up my skincare routine a little bit, and this stuff basically just helps keep my skin really hydrated and moisturized, and I just like trying out different skincare products. So the brand is Irina. They did send me these products to try out, and I do really like them. As you can tell, I've been using it for quite a while. It's half empty, but I just got out of the shower and used the coconut and matcha cleansing mousse. There you go. So the coconut and matcha cleansing mousse, this smells really good, and it just makes my face feel super clean, and I really like it. Now I'm going to go in with the Irina Apricot Sorbet Moisture Cream. Just going to put a little bit of that on my face. This stuff is all Australian, natural, vegan, Australian made, I meant. So that's really good. And then I'm going to go in with the Rose Antioxidant Elixir. And then the last step that I've been doing is using the Rose Quartz little facial massage tool. And this is just really soothing and cooling. And kind of just closes your pores because it's nice and cold. Okay, so that's my skincare done. Move that out of the way. Alright, my camera also might die before I finish my makeup because its battery obviously needs to be charged. So let's try and do this quickly. So I have a long to-do list this weekend. So I thought I would just film a little bit of a get ready with me, film my weekend and the things that I'm doing. Can't get this primer out. So I have a few things that I want to try and film. I want to take a few photos for Instagram because I bought some new clothes last week, and just other things. I need to go grocery shopping. I want to make like a workout plan because I need to start working out again because I haven't in so long, and it's almost spring. We've only got a few weeks left of winter stuff. Irina, they did only launch this past week, so I will link their website down in the description so you can go and check them out because I really like them. I just used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Now I'm going to use some MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15. This, I used to use NC20, and that matches my skin a little bit more when I'm tanned. I have a little tiny bit of gradual fake tan on right now. But this is kind of good to just brighten everything. So it is a really... it's going to be a really nice weekend in Sydney. It's going to be 25, 26 degrees tomorrow, which is beautiful. A beautiful winter's day in Sydney. So I want to try and spend some time outside because I feel like when the weather's that nice, you kind of have to go out, right? You don't want to waste the day. I had a bit of a sleep in this morning. I think it's like 11:30 right now. So tomorrow I'm gonna get up a little bit early. I like to sleep in on Sundays because you know, I work Monday to Friday and I wake up at 5 a.m. every day, so I do want to allow myself at least one day to sleep in, but then Sundays I like to wake up a bit earlier and like get stuff done. So now I'm going to use the Studio Fix foundation in NW13. This is just a little sample that I got because I wanted to try it out before I committed to buying it. And I do really like it, so it's a good color for when I'm not really fake tan. But I can always lighten it up with concealer and powder and stuff. Oh no, the battery's dying. Okay, the battery's flashing, so I'm not going to be able to finish this Get Ready With Me. Alright, eyebrows done. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use the color Bear. I don't know what I want to do today. Do I just want to do something simple? Maybe I'll go in with Teddy. A little bit of Teddy in the crease, but also all over my eye. Okay, now onto mascara. I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. This is just a mini size because I haven't tried it yet and I'm looking for a new mascara. I just haven't been liking any of the ones that I've been using lately. This one's okay. I like how it curls my lashes. No! You see that? It always happens whenever my foundation looks good, I always mess it up with mascara. So now I'm gonna go and do my hair. It's blow dried, but I need to straighten it to get rid of all the frizziness, and then I'm gonna let that dry so I can get that off my face. And then I might clean, and then I will get back to you guys after I do all the boring stuff that's not worth vlogging. Okay, so I'm ready now. I just took some photos in this jumpsuit from Princess Polly. I am doing a haul later. I just have to wait for a few more things to come in the mail, and then I'm going to film a haul. So I don't want to show everything that I'm taking photos in today because they're all going to be in the haul. I'm going to change my outfit and then take a few more photos, and then I'm going to do some editing and have some lunch because it's lunchtime. It's, oh my god, it's 1 o'clock already. I'm trying to take photos in my room, and on this camera it looks fine in the background. But when I take photos on my phone, for some reason, my background and walls and everything look really yellow. And the quality's really just not the greatest, so maybe I should try and take some photos on my camera. And it might be some better quality. Like outside it's fine, but I changed into this skirt. I know I said I wasn't going to show you guys everything, but this skirt is literally my new favorite thing. It is so cute. It's silky, it's got little flowers on it. I'm obsessed. I'm going to try and take a few more photos in this outfit, and then I might go and make some lunch, and then I will finish editing my reaction video. So I've done another outfit change, but I just finished editing my reacting to my old video, and oh my god, it is so embarrassing. But we are about to go grocery shopping. I'm doing another 10-day shred next week, so I'm going to get some food and stuff for that, and I think I'm going to vlog my 10-day shred and what I eat and stuff and how I prep my food and everything, but I'm going to start that tomorrow. So I'm going to go do some grocery shopping. Found this baked muesli, and I'm partly just buying it because the packaging's really cute, but I also want to try it, but mainly because the packaging's cute. I just started filming and then you came to hold my hand. I'm sorry. Getting some berries, some nuts, some tomatoes, some Halloumi. Okay. Some turkey. So it is the next day now. By the time we got home from grocery shopping yesterday, I pretty much just had dinner. I didn't really have a proper dinner. I kind of just had some snacks and then I went to bed. And now it is 10:49. I threw on a little bit of makeup, but today I need to cook and meal prep for the week. I need to wash my car. I have a call that I have to do. And then I just have some business bombshell stuff that I have to do, and I have to edit this vlog as well. So right now I'm just looking for some recipes and healthy things I can make with the food that I bought yesterday. First, this morning I had the muesli that I showed you guys yesterday that I said I pretty much just bought because the packaging was really cute. But it is actually really delicious. So I made it with some coconut yogurt, the muesli, strawberries, blueberries, and I put the tiniest bit of maple syrup on top. I probably would also recommend honey because that is probably a little bit healthier, but I don't really like honey. I'm not a big honey fan. So I did the tiniest bit of maple syrup because obviously it's not that healthy, but I just wanted to sweeten it up a little bit and it was so good. So I highly recommend. But yeah, now I'm just looking for some recipes that I can make for my meal prepping this week. I'm about to wash my car. I've never washed my car before. I've never washed a car before. So this is the first time. So this is gonna be the first time that I've ever washed a car, because usually I just get my dad to do it, but I don't know, I feel like doing it today. Bit of exercise, and I kind of just want to be outside because it's really nice. But I need to move my car over onto the grass so I can wash it, but my dog is out, so I'm gonna go have to put Tilly back inside so I can move it. I'll be back. Gonna clean.
Look.
22-year-old cleans a car for the first time.
That's off. That's on.
Okay.
Alright, do the roof first. Roof and the window first. Wash it, then hose it. Then
Alright, I don't know if it's focused on me or not, but I just finished cleaning the outside of my car, and now I gotta clean the inside. So, moving it back onto the driveway. So thank goodness that is over and done with. I am exhausted. Never want to do that again. But I'm going to make some lunch now because I'm really hungry. It is 2:42. I've been working out for about 20 minutes. That's enough for today. Haven't worked out in a very long time, so taking it slowly. Now I'm going to have a shower. I need to scrub off my tan and put a new one on, and I need to cook dinner for tonight and cook lunch for tomorrow and Tuesday. I'm probably just gonna have the same thing, so I might just cook one meal for the 3 days, and then I'm gonna finish editing this vlog, and then I think that'll be it for this vlog because I feel like I filmed quite a lot and it should be enough for one video. So I've just gotten out of the shower. I have fake tanned. If you can't tell, my face is a little bit of a different color than my body, but I washed my hair and I blow dried my hair so it's nice and clean, and now I'm going to go and make some dinner. We're going to make some green Thai chicken curry. I think that's what I'm making. And I'm gonna meal prep a little bit for tomorrow as well. I'm not I'm not that hungry right now because I did have that ginormous salad not too long ago, so I might only have a little bit of food for dinner, and then later on if I'm hungry I might have like a piece of fruit or something for a snack. But yeah, let's go make some chicken curry. I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. My tan has developed a little bit and now I literally look like I'm a different head on a different body. So just let's ignore that. But I didn't end up making enough food for me to have for lunch and for dinner. So I just ended up having the same thing that I had for breakfast for dinner because I really enjoyed it. So I just had the muesli and the yogurt and the berries. But I'm gonna go to bed now, or I'm going to catch up on some YouTube videos. It's only 6:50, but I feel like I've had a really busy day and a really productive day. So I'm gonna go to bed and relax and get ready for another week of work, and then I'm probably gonna vlog again next weekend. But that is it for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Social media links will be down in the description bar. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.